Imagine being able to climb stairs without feeling that sharp pain in your knee or getting completely out of breath. Sounds like a dream? What if I told you it's possible to feel 20 years younger in just a few seconds? Hello, I'm a physical therapist. And today I'm going to reveal the 3 secret exercises and 1 brilliant technique that will restore your independence on stairs. All of this is based on cutting-edge science, and I've seen it work with hundreds of patients. But before we get to the exercises, you need to understand why climbing stairs becomes so difficult. The culprit is something called sarcopenia, which is just a fancy term for the natural loss of muscle mass that everyone over 30 faces. But after 50, this loss accelerates dramatically, stealing strength from your legs, hips, and knees. But here's the great news. This is completely reversible. Think of your body like an old bicycle. If it sits still, it rusts and becomes heavy. For it to work perfectly again, you need to give it a tune-up. And the tune-up for your body is called progressive strength training. This is what will lubricate your joints and strengthen your muscles. The science behind this is fascinating. Research shows that targeted resistance training can increase muscle mass by up to 30% in older adults within just 12 weeks. Your muscles have an incredible ability to adapt and grow stronger regardless of your age. The key is consistency and proper technique. Exercise number 1, the slow sit to stand. This is the most important exercise for climbing stairs. It strengthens the 2 largest muscles involved, the quadriceps in the front of your thigh and the glutes in your buttocks. Sit on the edge of a chair with your feet slightly behind your knees. Use your arms to help if needed. Stand up with power and speed, then lower yourself down slowly, controlling the movement. This slow descent is the secret to building strength. Do 10 repetitions several times throughout the day. Common mistake, don't use momentum. Make it slow and controlled. What makes this exercise so effective is the eccentric contraction during the lowering phase. This type of muscle contraction produces more force and stimulates greater muscle growth than traditional exercises. Studies show that eccentric training can increase strength gains by up to 40% compared to regular lifting. Exercise number 2, the lateral step up. This one is all about stability. It strengthens a deep hip muscle called the gluteus medius, which is essential for keeping us balanced and preventing falls. Stand sideways to a low step, step up with one leg and bring the other leg up to meet it. Step down with control. Common mistake, don't let your body lean to the side. Use support initially. Do 10 to 20 repetitions on each side. Balance and stability are crucial components that many people overlook. The gluteus medius acts like a stabilizer for your entire lower body. When this muscle is weak, you're more likely to experience knee pain, hip discomfort, and even ankle problems. Strengthening it creates a chain reaction of improved function throughout your entire kinetic chain. Exercise number 3, the eccentric step down. This is based on a 2022 study that proved it's one of the best methods for combating muscle loss in older adults. Stand on top of a step, facing away from the stairs. With control, slowly lower one foot toward the ground, then bring it back up. The secret is the super slow descent. And to supercharge it, add some weight, a dumbbell or weighted vest. This is pure gold for building muscle. Focus on not letting your knee cave inward. Do 10 to 20 repetitions on each side. The research behind eccentric training is remarkable. This type of exercise creates microscopic tears in muscle fibers that, when repaired, result in stronger, more resilient tissue. It's particularly effective for older adults because it maximizes strength gains while minimizing joint stress. The controlled movement pattern also improves neuromuscular coordination, which is essential for safe stair navigation. But here's something most people don't know. The timing of these exercises matters. Your muscles adapt best when challenged consistently. I recommend doing these exercises every other day, allowing for proper recovery between sessions. Your body needs time to rebuild and strengthen, and this recovery period is when the real magic happens. Now, here's the game-changing technique that will transform your stair climbing immediately. Most people make 2 critical mistakes. First, they pull their body up using their arms on the handrail. Second, they push their body upward while keeping their weight back. This makes everything harder. The secret is, when climbing, lean your trunk slightly forward. This places your center of gravity over the step, using gravity to your advantage. It's easier, safer, and practically takes the pressure off your knees. Try this right now. This technique works because of basic physics. When your center of gravity is properly aligned over your base of support, you require less muscular effort to maintain balance and generate upward force. It's the same principle that allows us to walk efficiently on flat ground. By applying this to stair climbing, you're essentially making each step feel more like a natural walking motion. Let me share something important about progression. When you first start these exercises, you might feel challenged after just a few repetitions. That's completely normal and actually a good sign that your muscles are working. Start with what you can manage, even if it's just 3 to 5 repetitions of each exercise. Every week, try to add one more repetition or hold the position for 1 second longer. The beautiful thing about strength training is that improvements come quickly. Most people notice increased energy and stability within the first 2 weeks. By the 4th week, you'll likely find that activities that once felt difficult now feel manageable. By the 8th week, you might be surprised at how strong and confident you feel on stairs. Another crucial factor is breathing technique. Many people hold their breath during these exercises, which can increase blood pressure and reduce performance. Instead, exhale during the exertion phase and inhale during the relaxation phase. For the sit-to-stand exercise, exhale as you stand up and inhale as you sit down. This breathing pattern helps stabilize your core and provides better oxygen delivery to your muscles. Nutrition also plays a vital role in muscle building and recovery. Protein is particularly important for older adults engaging in strength training. Aim for a palm-sized portion of protein with each meal. This could be fish, chicken, eggs, beans, or Greek yogurt. Adequate protein intake ensures your body has the building blocks necessary to repair and strengthen muscle tissue. Hydration is equally important but often overlooked. Dehydration can significantly impact muscle function and recovery. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day and drink a glass before and after your exercise sessions. Your muscles are about 75% water, so maintaining proper hydration is essential for optimal function. Here's an advanced tip for those ready to take it to the next level. Incorporate visualization techniques. Before doing each exercise, visualize yourself performing it perfectly. See yourself climbing stairs with ease and confidence. This mental rehearsal actually activates the same neural pathways used during physical movement, enhancing your performance and building confidence. Safety should always be your top priority. If you experience any sharp pain, dizziness, or shortness of breath during these exercises, stop immediately and consult with your healthcare provider. It's normal to feel some muscle fatigue and mild soreness the day after exercising, but sharp or severe pain is not normal and should be evaluated. Consider keeping an exercise log to track your progress. Write down how many repetitions you completed, how the exercises felt, and any improvements you notice in your daily activities. This record will help you see your progress over time and stay motivated to continue. Remember, consistency trumps intensity every time. It's better to do these exercises for 10 minutes 3 times per week than to do an hour-long session once per week. Your muscles respond to regular, consistent stimulus, and this approach also reduces the risk of injury while maximizing results. These techniques can literally transform someone's life. Do you know a parent, grandparent, or friend who needs to see this? Share this video with them. And if you want more tips for maintaining your independence and vitality after 50, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Remember, it's not about being young again, it's about living well at any age. Stay strong, stay independent, and I'll see you in the next video.